Welcome, hello students. As you know that this time you have been promoted to 8th class, and this is one of the first class that you are going to see today. The page you are looking on the screen is names of chapters showing that you have to study in the book. I hope some students may have got the books, purchased the books or not, or very soon they will purchase it. As you know that in geography there will be 8 chapters as you see on the screen. In civics chapter there will be 11 chapters. In history there will be about 14 chapters. In geography we will study about the land, all the things related to land. In history we generally study the points that came in history, the time that has passed. For example, in this book we will study the history of our country, the history of the time of the colonialism, the coming of Britishers, how they came in our country for trading purposes, and how they ruled our country, what were the atrocities they were doing to our people. All these points we will cover in history part. At the same time, we will also study about the role of women in reformation activities, revolutionary activities, national movements, etc. In civics part, we will study of the things that matters us, like being first chapter is our constitution, second is secularism, third one is parliament of our country, fourth one is making of laws, the union executive, the judiciary, the police and court, social justice, untouchability, the government, law and social justice. There will be total 11 chapters in civics. This is the syllabus. Before the start of this session, I would like to request all of you to improve your English so that you can understand my language, my words, and you can write the answers easily, comfortably in the examinations halls, so that you can get maximum marks. Because your book is also written in English, wherever there is any confusion, any necessity to clarify any issue in Hindi, I will try to explain the things in Hindi. But for the time being, please try to understand the subject in English. I will start today the civics part, that is our constitution. As you know that our country is secular country, democratic country. Democratic country is that country where everything happens according to some laws, and laws are framed in our constitution. At the time of our independence, our forefathers, our national leaders decided to frame constitution for our country in order to safeguard our people from the atrocities that were faced by our people during British period, Britishers, and before that, the Muslim rulers. In order to keep these things in mind, our forefathers have framed our constitution. Our constitution is a big document covering all the positive points, all parts of our life, taken from the constitutions of different countries around the world. As you know that our constitution was adopted on 26th November 1949 and it was came into effect on 26th January 1950. Therefore, we celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January every day. As you know that our constitution gives us a lot of rights, a lot of duties that we have to carry out. One of them is most important is right to equality, right to life, and other rights also. Likewise, secularism is also a important part of our constitution. Secularism says that there will be no official religion of our country. Our government will respect all the religions, and everybody is having right to propagate, adopt any religion. There will be no problem on the part of the government if the religion comes in their way. Today I will not take much of time. So in the coming videos, I will explain more points from Constitution. If this chapter is still exists in the SST book of 7th class, you can go through that Constitution part. You will learn a lot of things, and in the next video you will get those things. As you know that this time the locking period is going on, so it will be beneficial to all of you. Please get in touch with the video, try to complete the assignment and watch the video up to the last. Thanks for watching. Thanks.